Hi, my name is Spencer Scala. I work here at Mars at Billings. I'm one of the customer service specialists up front, and today we're going to be tinting a brand new 2022 Jeep Grand Wagoneer in XPEL XR Plus Nano Ceramic Window Film. So some benefits to this window tint. One is they're going to have a 99% heat rejection and 99% UV rejection, which is going to be a lot more comfortable for you in the vehicle. And XPEL is the only tint on the market right now that is approved by the Skin Cancer Foundation to protect you from the cancer-causing rays of the sun. So you can be safe and sound in your vehicle and be comfortable all year long. For any other questions, give us a call at the shop or visit our website at marsatbillings.com.